Alright, everybody, I apologize for the loud background static, but I'm going to walk us through my helpful hints for remembering the political geography of the United States. So meaning remembering which state is which. The 48 contiguous states are the 48 that all touch and that are all here on the mainland. Hawaii and Alaska, of course, are the 49th and 50th state, but Hawaii is all the way out in the Pacific Ocean, and Alaska is all the way up in the northernmost part of North America. It's north of Canada. And I have a whole bunch of helpful hints to help us remember which state is which, so let's dig in. First of all, the West Coast spells cow. California, Oregon, and Washington. A lot of times my students flip-flop Oregon and Washington, so that'll help you remember those two. I think Nevada looks like an N and a V. This is where the Great Basin is. This is Reno is located here. Salt Lake City is located here. And then we have the states with the four corners. There's literally four corners right here. It's the only chunk of states that does this. And my helpful hint is you can stand in four states at once. So we've got the letter U for Utah, C for Colorado, A for Arizona, N for New Mexico, and you can stand in four states at once. Now the other thing I'd like to add to this image is this little chunk right here. That's actually where the Grand Canyon is located. So I'd like to show you Four Corners National Park to prove it to you that you can stand or lay down in four states at once, and that's literally where the four corners meet, and you could stand in Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, and Arizona all at once. And if you've never seen or been to the Grand Canyon, this is what the Grand Canyon looks like. This is the Colorado River. The Colorado River has cut through the rock and created the Grand Canyon, which is gigantic. So that is right here. That's the Grand Canyon, and then that's the Four Corners National Park. All right, moving our way up. This I'd like to introduce you to Hannah, Montana. The capital of Montana is over here where my pen is. It's Helena, Montana, and I like to joke around that Helena is Hannah's mom. So this is Hannah, Montana. So this is the state of Montana. And this one is the name of her latest rap single, which is called Idaho. So that's Idaho, Boise, Idaho. They're famous for potatoes. These two are the same shape, but they're not the same place. This is Wyoming, this is Colorado, and the WC stands for water closet, which most of Europe actually calls the bathroom the water closet because it's shaped like a closet and you flush the toilet and run water, so it's the water closet. So we'll talk about the bathroom again in a minute. In this column, we've got the Dakotas. If you can find one of them, you can find the other, because North Dakota is north, South Dakota is south. We'll talk about Nebraska in a minute. And then this is Kansas and Oklahoma. So Oklahoma is shaped kind of like a pan that you would use in the kitchen to do some good old home-style cooking. So that's Oklahoma. And of course, you're going to be dumping like cans of, beans or something into the pot. So this is Kansas, dumping into Oklahoma. I assume that we know Texas. And so let's move on to Mr. Mississippi. Sometimes people call this, person-like thing Abraham Lincoln. I like to call it Mr. Mississippi because the east border of all of these states is the Mississippi River. The Mississippi starts up here in Minnesota and flows south through the heartland of our country. So this is Iowa, because this is where Mr. Mississippi's I is located. This is Missouri, and we'll talk about that why in a minute. This is his butt, Arkansas. And Arkansas and Kansas kind of go they're close to one another. Arkansas is an easy one to forget. His foot, or the boot, is in the shape of an L. It's the only state That is in the shape of an L, and we only have one state that starts with the letter L, and it's Louisiana, which is named after King Louis of France, because we bought that territory from the French, like we've already talked about. So Mr. Mississippi likes to eat a little too much at the 4th of July party. So he likes to eat a little too much Kentucky Fried Chicken off of his tin plate, and he eats so much that he has to rub his tummy because he is in misery. He's in pain. He's too uncomfortable. So his belly is Missouri, not Missouri, Missouri. This is Kentucky, and this is Tennessee. Now, he also eats so much that he has to go to the bathroom. So he drops some little rocks, poop. He drops some little rocks out of his booty. So Little Rock, Arkansas is the capital of Arkansas. And he drops them off in the water closet. But he needs something to read while he's in the water closet, so he reads the magazines that are at his feet. So this is Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, South Carolina. Mississippi touches the Mississippi River. Alabama does not. I assume you know Georgia because we're Florida. And then this is South Carolina, which is also in the Superman shape from the Superman emblem. If you can find South Carolina, you can find North Carolina, and that'll actually help you as you move up the coast. So one more story, though, about Mr. Mississippi's craziness at holiday parties. He likes to do a stupid party trick where he balances a can on his head, and usually it's a soda can. But he's cheap, so he always buys the little teeny tiny soda cans, the mini ones. So my stupid story about this is that mini soda is what's on his head. So this is Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana, and they all make up Mr. Mississippi. Okay? So let's zoom in. So this region here is called the Midwest, and we've got Wisconsin. I like to call it Swissconsin because it looks like cheese. They're also famous for the Green Bay Packers and wearing the cheese heads on their heads. This is Michigan. Michigan looks like a mitten, but it is also two parts, the Upper Peninsula and the mitten. Mr. Mississippi is so sick at the party because he ate too much that he's making ill noises out of his mouth. So this is Illinois. You do not pronounce the S at the end. It's Illinois. Chicago is located here on Lake Michigan. If you're familiar with the Chicago region. There's a baby on Indiana because that's where I was born, and I couldn't think of anything else. There's a toddler on Ohio because that's where I grew up, and toddlers are always up in your face, being like, hi, 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 talk to me. So that's Indiana and Ohio. And then again, over here, if you can find South Carolina, you can find North. So south is south, north is north. But that'll also help you with Virginia, because Virginia and North Carolina look really similar. So we've got South Carolina and then North Carolina, and then when you find Virginia, it'll help you find West Virginia, because this is my compass, and West Virginia is quite literally west of Virginia. Zooming in even more on our New England states, we've got Maryland here in green. Delaware does actually look like a D. This I love to call Jersey Shore. It's kind of in the shape of an S, and that's New Jersey. We've got pencils here that I drew in Pennsylvania. This is New York. If you're familiar with Niagara Falls, they're located here between the two rivers. And then we've got Connecticut, which is quite literally spelled connect like hutch. That's Connecticut. Rhode Island is tiny. It takes like 40 minutes to drive across Rhode Island. It's super tiny. This here is Massachusetts. I think it looks like an elf shoe, like one of Santa's elves or something, with a pointy toe. So I like to call it Massachusetts. You're welcome. And then we have three more. So this is Vermont. The southern border is in the shape of a V, and they do an ice cream cone because Ben & Jerry's headquarters is located in Vermont. And then the other corner here is New Hampshire. I don't have anything to help you with that other than it's not Vermont, so you're welcome. And then this last one here, I've drawn a lion and made sure to make the hair really big because this is the lion's mane. So this state is Maine. The last thing that I want to make sure we understand is the difference between Washington, D.C. and Washington State. So here on the East Coast is Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is where, of course, the nation's capital is located. So think, like this is the Capitol building, this is the Washington Monument, this is the Jefferson Memorial. So all of these things happen in Washington, D.C., which is over here in between Maryland and Virginia. But Washington State is all the way up here in the northwest coast. Sometimes we call it the Pacific Northwest. Then, of course, we've got Alaska and Hawaii, which are not actually in Mexico. That's just the way we put them to fit it all on one map, okay? So those are my helpful hints to remembering the states.